Morning arrives quietly before the world remembers how to rush. The birds speak not to impress, not to be heard, but simply because living is enough. In this soft light, nothing is asking you to hurry, nothing is demanding answers. There is only air, a gentle sky, and the reminder that you are here, still breathing and still alive. Let this moment be slow, be calm, let it be kind. You don't need to conquer the day, just meet it. Because some mornings are not meant to be loud, they are meant